Well, I'm about to walk into the to the Banking Committee markup. For the first time ever, the Senate Banking Committee will finally deal with legislation dealing with abusive practices by credit card companies. Just in the last year alone, from March of 2007 to February of 2008, 70 million accounts, 1 out of 4 credit card holders, have had their interest rates increased, some of them in excess of 30%. They've had their limits of credit reduced dramatically in many cases from really being a day late for the first time ever and paying their credit cards. These fees and penalty rates that go on forever, the very abusive practices that occur where even if the credit card makes a mistake, they end up charging the credit card user with additional fees or penalties involved. There's very aggressive reaching out to very young people with pre-approved cards, pre-screened cards. This is all going on at the expense of consumers. And when 20,000 people a day are losing their jobs, 10,000 a day losing their homes, the tremendous pressures on consumers. Now, credit cards obviously can be a wonderful advantage for people. I'm not opposed to them at all. But I am opposed to abusive practices that are going on that are depriving consumers of the ability to make ends meet here. And that's what's occurring with these penalties and fees that have become the mainstay of financial support. $10 billion the credit card companies have been able to profit by over the last year alone, merely because they've been able to raise fees and interest rates on 70 million accounts, 1 out of 4. So this is a very important day. For the first time ever, the Senate Banking Committee is going to get a chance to do something about this. My hope is my colleagues here, Democrats and Republicans, will be supportive. But I intend to move aggressively forward on it. I've been involved in this issue for 20 years. I've been caring about it for a long time. This is the first chance we've really had to do something about it. And so this morning's action will be very, very important for consumers.